wants y'all to hear soft tropical lips that are singing. Let's get together and fight this holy Armageddon. But there's just one question that I really have to ask. One heart. Is there hope now for the hopeless sinner? One love. And a bag of good kind that ain't never gonna last. One love. What about a one heart? One heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Takes away all of your big problems. You could worry, you could drop them in the blue ocean, but you gotta get away to where the boat is from. It takes away all of your big problems. You could worry, you could drop them in the blue ocean, but you gotta get away to where the boat is from. Thank you. This is my favorite song that we've ever written. This is on the new CD.